and welcome back to Room for Improvement, a channel dedicated to sharing our family's favorite tips, tricks, DIYs, and favorite products. Today I'm going to give you a few tips and tricks that I've found after parenting 33 kids that helps kids eat more vegetables. A little story, if you don't know me personally, is that we have been foster parents for 12 years. And we've had 33 placements, and honestly I would say 0 of those placements came to us liking vegetables. And so we've had to try different methods, different ways to get these kids to like vegetables. My first tip, especially for picky eaters, is A, find a vegetable that they will eat, like true and tried. Carrots and cucumbers are almost always successful, and then give the kids a dip. Sometimes I think the colors are just intimidating to little kids, and so if they have something fun to dip it in, they'll almost always at least try it. And so our favorite dips in our house are hummus. My kids love hummus. This is probably their #1 go-to. Ketchup, which disgusts me, but if I put ketchup, my kids will dip it. I put Greek yogurt out because my kids love ranch. I don't love them eating ranch because of the unhealthy elements to it, but what I will do is make a homemade ranch out of Greek yogurt with just a ranch packet. They love it, and then they're also getting the probiotics and the good bacteria in yogurt. Another option, but we can't use it in our house, is nut butters. Nut butters are an easy way to get protein into little bodies that may not eat meat. My next tip is a bait and switch option. My entire family, my husband and I included, love chips. We could eat chips all day long, but anything fried or straight carbohydrates are not good. So the one thing we've learned is that we can replace veggie chips very easily and our kids still love them. 3 of our favorites are root chips. My kids love root chips. As you can see, the baby just eats them like they're totally normal. The other one my kids love are the snap pea chips. And then my ultimate favorite is the sea salt multi-grain tortilla chips. So it's still a little unhealthy, but it still has those healthy elements that you want in your kids' bodies. Another easy thing is to combine the 2 tips. So take the root chips and give them the homemade ranch dip out of Greek yogurt, and they will eat it. And instead of getting so much unhealthy foods, they're getting probiotics, they're getting good bacteria, they're getting vegetables in their body, and they think they're eating chips. So the bait and switch rule is probably my ultimate favorite because it works on myself as well. And then my last tip, if the other 2 fail, go back to my tried and true method of hide the veggies. Sometimes no matter how hard you try, kids aren't gonna eat veggies, but I will tell you it's always a phase. Just keep offering them and offering, and eventually they will try them. But in the meantime, make a smoothie and hide those veggies in it. So I'm gonna show you right now our favorite veggie smoothie that my kids eat almost every day. We take a carrot, sometimes we do the carrot, sometimes we don't, so we'll switch it up for a squash. We basically throw in whatever we have in the house. Another tip is I buy these giant bags of spinach from Costco, and then I just freeze them so that I have frozen spinach every day. And I put in 2 giant handfuls. And then to add just a little more protein into my kids' diet, I'll put in a scoop of hemp hearts and a scoop of chia seeds. And then I just throw in whatever frozen fruit I have on hand. Today I have organic blueberries. And then you can just top off with whatever milk source you have. You want to come help with the smoothie? So we don't drink cow milk in our house. We always do almond milk, but if you have cow milk, you can throw in cow's milk, yogurt, whatever you guys have in your house.
Well, we make a smoothie.
We are making a smoothie.
It's gonna be yucky.
Now I have 6 kids, so I make big smoothies every day. So if you're thinking, oh my gosh, that's a lot, I have 6 kids. And like I say in all of my food videos, get your kids involved because they're more likely to eat something that they made and take ownership of. Are you ready?
Yeah.
I hope these tips helped, and if you have any other tips on how to get kids to eat vegetables, go ahead and comment below so we can try them at our house as well.
I need a smoothie.
And make sure you try our smoothies and let us know if you like them.
Thanks for watching. If you haven't already, just hit the subscribe button. I'll see you next video.
Bye!
Bye.